Hi everyone, I am Julie Shalivier. I'm a registered acupuncturist and facial renewal educator. So today we are going to watch a microneedling demonstration that I originally did for my friend Sarah, who has the Holistic Habits YouTube channel. So her channel is amazing. It's all about natural tips for the skin and hair and just helping you be the best healthy you. So originally we did this video for her channel. However, I also wanted to give you a chance to view a microneedling treatment that is done by myself and basically the procedure, the step-by-step of how I actually do the treatment, what products I use, what I think is important. As well for pre and post care, there are things that you can do. I do have a blog post on that and I have the link down below in the description. As many of you know, it is my goal to educate you on natural and healthy ways to slow down the aging process, including acupuncture, as well as home care, things that you can look at doing on a daily basis that really will help long term. My hope is that you will understand that really there's no quick fixes without repercussions. So the advice that I offer, of course, may take some more time. However, it is worth it in the long run because you look naturally beautiful. I think it's pretty crazy that after the age of 35, we have lost 50% of our collagen. So really you want to look at starting treatments, if not within your 20s, 30s for sure, to really help slow that aging process down. Microneedling is a part of the 3 treasures of facial renewal. So the other 2 are vibrational tuning forks as well as constitutional facial renewal acupuncture to really help deal with the different levels of how you age. And you can find out more on these 2 treatments from my website, and the link is below for that as well. So right now, I'm just going to do a quick education on what microneedling is, and then we'll go straight to the demo. So microneedling has been all over the media for so many years, and it is an amazing treatment that is natural. So microneedling is a treatment that uses a tiny device that will puncture little microchannels in the skin. And basically the idea is that through that microtrauma, you are going to build more collagen. The great thing about microneedling is as these tiny little shallow microchannels are within the skin for about 20 minutes before they close up, it gives you a chance to actually put peptides, hyaluronic acid, and other serums in to further the collagen production. Really, the great thing with microneedling is that it is colorblind, so it can work on any skin type and at any age. I have had patients in their 60s and 70s, even from one treatment, seeing an amazing result with all their friends asking what they've done with their skin. These are my beautiful tuning forks. We have a few different earth vibrations, full and new moon, sun, and a few planets as well. And here is the beautiful Sarah. So to start, I apply the numbing cream all over the face and neck, then cover it with saran wrap. I always ask patients to arrive makeup free and with a recently exfoliated face to help the numbing cream out a little. The number one question I get asked is, does it hurt? Which is extremely valid as it does look painful, but to combat discomfort, I use a high percentage numbing cream. It's amazing how well it works, to the extent that some patients have even fallen asleep. Then I get going on body acupuncture and vibrational tuning forks to help relax and ground you so you can get a good nap in while the numbing cream is doing its work for about 45 minutes. Then we remove it and do clean needle technique with alcohol swabs to make sure all traces of the cream are gone. So I generally start with the forehead, work down to the cheeks, around the eyes, around the mouth, and then finally the neck and nose. After each pass, I apply peptides, then needle again on each area, peptides again before moving on to the next area. Since this treatment was done at Babor Spa, I am very lucky to use their Dr. Babor Pro Peptide Serum, which really is an amazing product. I also do recommend that you would use peptides in between your sessions. Because we are using numbing cream and are able to get to a depth that does cause pinpoint bleeding, along with using peptides, this also gives us a chance to use our own platelet-rich plasma. It's another opportunity to boost the production of collagen to the microtrauma that is already taking place. Fill those tiny channels up, I say. Again, most people only feel a bit of discomfort around the bony areas of the face and neck. And a big tip to all my ladies out there is to avoid booking in around your period, as you can be more sensitive during that time. Then to finish, I use the 3D Hydrogel Face Mask from Babor to hydrate the skin. Then I use calming cream, massage that in, and finally apply a very generous layer of SPF, which I then recommend you use daily in between your microneedling treatments every month. Finally, we just let the healing process kick in and for your own body to build that collagen. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have been considering microneedling, I would also recommend you watch my interview where I go into more details about the treatment. If you are in the local Vancouver area, it would be great to see you. And if you aren't local, I would love to know how your treatment goes. Thanks so much.